Ready to dive into a stock that's making waves? Let's talk Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard has been a standout performer in the stock market, delivering mind-blowing multi-bagger returns. That's a whopping 319% increase over the past year. Even with a recent dip, it's still trading strong at around Rs 1,959.85. So, what's fueling this ship? For starters, they have a robust order book, including a massive Rs 1,100 crore international order. And if that's not impressive enough, their net profit for Q4 FY24 skyrocketed by 558.82% year-on-year. Investors are buzzing, and ICICI Direct has set a bullish target price of Rs 1,055. This means there's still plenty of room for growth. In a nutshell, Cochin Shipyard is not just floating, it's sailing full steam ahead. Don't miss the boat on this one. Consider adding Cochin Shipyard to your portfolio today.